guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a really exciting video. I'm going to be doing the iPhone SE unboxing. My brother got it for me for my birthday, and birthday was on the 13th of May, so I finally got my phone in the mail, and so I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. And then I'll also put the specs on the screen here or here to show you guys, because I don't know all the specs off the top of my head, so I'll have to look it up and let you guys know, and comparing it to my original 7. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just your white typical box. It says iPhone on it. I got mine in 64 gigs. So we're gonna open it. So excited. Okay. And it has the Design by Apple thing. Oh, so I think this has okay, so it comes with these iPhone stickers. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks like that. And then my new device. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the iPhone SE, and this is the back. Oh my gosh, I got it in white. I've always had a black iPhone, so yeah, I decided to get it in white. So it looks like this, and then in the box it comes with obviously a charging head. It comes with earphones, and it comes with a charger, and that's everything the box comes with. So this is what the iPhone looks like. I'm going to put all the specs right here, but it is the new iPhone SE, the second one. Compared to my 7, as you can see, the sizing is pretty much about the same from the looks of it. The Apple logo is up here on the 7, and on the SE, the Apple logo is in the center. That's what I can notice off the top of my head, but it just has one camera lens, just like the 7 does. I mean, most of the other iPhones, I know that the iPhone 11 and 12 have more camera lens on it, but this is what this looks like. And yeah, so taking off the paper, and this is, oh, look at how clear that is, you guys. Look at that. Ah, oh, so pretty, so pretty. Okay, so this is it. It is so beautiful. Obviously, I need to put it to charge because the thing is dead. And the only thing I notice is that with the headphones, it still has the wired ones, which, as you guys can, okay, so I noticed that with the headphones for this one, it actually comes in the port version so you can plug it in and listen to music, because as you guys know, I think the 7, I don't even know, maybe the 6 and up, all of them don't have any headphone jacks, which really sucks, but yeah, so I think that's why they gave me this. Oh, okay, so that helps. So compared to my 7 is a 32 gig. I've had my 7 for about a year and a half now. I paid full price for it, and what other things? So 32 doesn't have that much space on it, but I love my 7 and it works just fine. It's just I've dropped it a few times, so there's probably a little bit of scratching, but other than that, it's a pretty decent phone. So yeah, this is the differences, and I feel like the white one is so much just cleaner and just nicer compared to the black. I don't know, but that's what it looks like. It's about the same size, if you guys can see that. But yeah, oh my gosh, it's so cute. I can't wait to play with it and put all my apps on it and everything, kind of show you guys. But I will be doing a what's on my iPhone SE, this one, when I back it up, put all my apps and everything on there and make it all organized. But yeah, so this is it. This is the new iPhone SE. I'm super happy that my brother bought it for me. But yeah, That's what it looks like. It's beautiful. But yeah, I've heard good things about it, and I heard that it's also the same size as the 8, the original 8, not the Plus. And so if you have an iPhone 8 case, it will fit on this. So that's the beauty about this. It's about the same size. So yeah, I mean, that's all I have to say. Like I said, I will be putting the specs of this on the screen somewhere so you guys can see like if there's any major differences between this and the 7, which I'm pretty sure there's a few. But I'm really excited every time I get a new phone because of the camera quality is always sharper and more clear. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be doing what's on my iPhone next. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.